We know that managing a fleet is hard work. Let things take a load off of your shoulders so that you can focus on doing what you do best, efficiently and even more effectively. The Vinx Fleet GPS Tracker does way more than just tracking, while still being reliable and affordable. After all, Vinx has been carefully curated over the past 15 years to satisfy your needs, having over 100,000 devices on the road and winning the North American Frost & Sullivan Award for customer value enhancement. We've identified over $100 million in wasted fuel for our customers. It's a fact that will save you time and money. Install the compact device in your vehicle's OBD2 port and know everything that you need to know about your vehicles. Vinx gives you an entire year of free services without charging any monthly fee, allowing you to track unlimited vehicles from a single account. Get detailed, real-time vehicle and driver trip summaries for each and every trip, and learn how you can cut unnecessary costs and save big. Vinx keeps a record of all trips, which can help in categorizing them in case there are any work-related ones. This can help you save a lot in taxes and getting reimbursements easily. You can fetch and download an entire year's worth of trip data. Know about your fleet's emission scores with Vinx. Vinx gives you a detailed report on how much distance each vehicle in your fleet has traveled versus how much carbon dioxide each has emitted. Vinx's software is highly scalable, and its high-end infrastructure is extremely powerful for fleet management, which means that you get a smarter user interface that allows you to browse the Vinx app way more easily. Large fleet owners can now use Vinx for better fleet management. They can assign subfleets or fleet managers that can take care of a particular group of fleets and make your task of management a breeze. The fuel cost tracker feature helps you to know how much you've invested in fuel so far and get notifications every time that the fuel level is low. With Vinx, you can also get driver behavior reports and know whenever any unsafe driving habits are occurring in your fleet on the road. With the Vinx Fleet GPS Tracker installed in your vehicles, you'll never miss any manufacturer or maintenance recalls. This can help in keeping your vehicles up and running as always, without any unnecessary investments on frequent repairs. Get to know all of your vehicle's health and engine diagnostics, and save any additional costs. Create geofences and get alerted whenever your fleets enter or exit a particular zone. You can create geofences for schools, business hubs, malls, delivery centers, and etc. Get idle time alerts and know how to be fuel efficient and save money with customized fuel saving tips from your Vinx app. Also, get stop time reports whenever any of your drivers turn off their ignition while on the road. Get Vinx Fleet, the simple yet powerful tool to help manage unlimited fleets.